Hey y'all, Ramdino here, coming at you from Rich Mountain Fire Tower in North Carolina. What the heck am I doing here? Well, I've got a special guest for you. So to find out what I'm doing here and who that guest is, stick around. Well, it was such a pretty day that I decided I had to get out and put my feet on the Appalachian Trail. It's just such a wonderful day out here. You can just see for miles and miles and miles, and hope you can kind of see that in the background. That's looking back over toward Tennessee, and here at the Rich Mountain Fire Tower, and it's just been a really neat. We've walked through the snow and stuff, and oh, I said we. That's right. I got a special guest. The special guest is Mrs. Ramdino. Now you know what the missus looks like. Mrs. Ramdino, come on in. Say hey to the YouTube world.
Hey, YouTube world.
She did not know that she was going to have to do this before we rolled up here, so I want to thank her for being a good sport. Tell us a little bit about the hike up here, honey.
Well, I told Ren if you hike the Appalachian Trail or do any hiking, you need to practice by walking and invest in trekking poles. That's it for sure.
Yep. And then what else do we need to bring next time with us when we come up top? We brought water, but we forgot something. Snacks, that's right.
Okay.
So yeah, we forgot snacks. So next time we're gonna make sure we bring snacks as well. What do you think that you've taken away so far from this view and coming through the woods? What was your favorite part of coming through the woods?
I love it. I mean, it's just beautiful being out there and seeing everything that God's created, and just the trees and the silence. I think the silence was one thing. Just pure silence, not a sound. Yep,
you get out here and you don't hear birds, you don't hear anything. It's just you and creation. So it was pretty neat to come up here. On the north side where the sun doesn't hit, there's a lot of snow, and I'll show you some of that. That'll be in this video, but there's a lot of snow on the trail, and there's still, we came up through some rhododendron green tunnels, so that was pretty neat. So it's been a great day. We're getting ready to head back. It's a little chilly up here. If the wind's blowing too much for you, I apologize for the sound interference, but it's a good day to come hiking, and we're looking forward to doing this again. We might even come out and maybe do an overnighter, right, honey?
Yep, we might do that.
We'll see if we'll do it. All right. Well, I will let you follow us along as we get on out of here.
Kind of unsteady. I mean, it's steady, but it just feels funny because it's rolling. All right, turn me off.
Even in the winter, we got a green tunnel, and it's really kind of cool with the contrast of the white snow and the green tunnel. So what's your point?
That's a hill. That's like something you ride on a roller coaster ride.
You up to it?
Well, I don't have much of a choice.
All right, well, buckle up. Here we go.
You might have to get behind me and push me. I need to take a picture of this so I can show my friends that I hiked up this thing. Look over there at all that snow. Isn't that pretty? Look at that tree. See the hole? I think my body would fit in there.
Go see. Yep. Try it. See if you get your head in it.
I'm not putting my head in there. I know I could get my butt in there.
All right, we are coming into Rich Mountain Fire Tower Blue Blaze Trail. So the fire tower is not actually on the AT, but it's like a 1/10 of a mile or something off of it. But in these areas that don't see sun, it's been really neat. I've not been on the AT with snow on it, so this is pretty cool. Also gives me a good indication of the fact that I don't need crampons for snow because I'm walking without them now and I don't need it. So that's good. And here's the Blue Blaze. Okay, I see where we're going. She hit it right. She got off on the Blue Blaze, and then the AT continues on down that way. And it says Rich Mountain Fire Tower, 0.15. All right. So here we go. Going to the Winter Wonderland. Been a great day so far. Been cloudy. So, sun hadn't been out too bad. Snow hadn't been, is kept at a good temperature to where it's not getting slushy for us. And we have not seen a soul on this trail. And we came in from, like I said earlier, from Tanyard Gap. Before you get to Hot Springs, I think that's 2570. AT crosses over with a pedestrian overpass, and I think it used to be an actual road, but they've now got it gated off to it's just a overpass. So, but in any case, it's been absolutely gorgeous up through here. Can't wait to get to the fire tower. Here comes Mrs. Ramdino coming up the hill like a champ. And it's our last up because there's our destination. A lot of trees they have sawn down up here. I hope to goodness they did not saw them down to maintain a view for the fire tower that's not really in use anymore officially as a fire tower. That would have been a crying shame. Alright, we're going to climb up and see if we can get on that sucker. Alright guys, that's it. We're doing that little day hike up to Rich Mountain Fire Tower from Tanyard Gap. It was, we had a good time. A little chilly, and the cold kind of sapped the energy from my batteries, and so my camera died. My phone died rather, and that's why I didn't get a chance to show any more trail video than we have in this video. But we had a good time. We're going to do some more day hikes together, and Miss Ramdino may actually get out there and do an overnight hike. So we're looking forward to that. And as always,
appreciate you. See you out here.
Cut.
I'm Ramdino.
All right, go start again.
Take 4. We appreciate y'all listening to our video. We are sorry that we do not have more film, but his camera died. He cannot get our name straight. We are the Ramdinos.